Nowadays, there are learning factories with extremely smart components, but your manuals still consist of hundreds of paper pages. This is not only unsustainable, but also extremely tiring. That's why we at Team InnoVRation thought there should be a better solution to this problem: an interactive manual.
Our project revolved around the Fischertechnik learning factory. During the initial setup, we encountered several complications. To address this, our project goals were to develop an interactive guide facilitating the learning factory setup without requiring physical presence on site. Our primary focus was on creating a clear and easily understandable guide, leading users step by step through the learning factory's commissioning. It aims to reduce complexity and enhance user-friendliness. This project serves as an example of applying virtual reality to simplify complex tasks in an educational environment.
In the beginning of the course, each student was tasked with delivering a comprehensive 5-minute presentation on virtual reality, ensuring that all participants acquired fundamental knowledge on the subject. After that, we delved into a hands-on workshop, immersing ourselves in the programs Blender and PolyVR. This interactive session aimed to familiarize us with these functionalities of these programs and helped us along the way.
During the implementation of the Learning Factory setup, we encountered challenges as the user manual proved to be not only incomplete but also lacking in intuitiveness. The ambiguities and missing information necessitated reaching out for customer support to assist us. This process proved to be time-consuming, and despite our efforts, it took a full 3 weeks before we could successfully start the Learning Factory.
We have therefore divided our program into several steps. The steps consist of a mix of slideshows and animations, which the user can click through. The combination of an intuitive guide and the playful elements of gamification made the setup of a Fischertechnik learning factory more efficient and accessible. We also included some troubleshooting hints.
Now the question is how we implemented it. In PolyVR, we wrote functions to bring various elements to life, including moving the tower, pressing buttons, and plugging in the cable. We also modeled missing elements like the cable in Blender. The next step involved creating a graphical user interface. For that, we used PowerPoint slides and integrated them into HTML pages. Finally, we combined every individual element into the virtual reality environment.
With our program, it is now possible to put the Learning Factory into operation without reading hundreds of pages of operating instructions. The graphical user interface provides an easy-to-understand and intuitive guide that explains the entire commissioning process step by step. The program works in both a cave and on a VR headset.